Ndewo ndị Igbo ekene muno. Welcome back to my Igbo channel. No, anabatangi. Nebe na kuzi asụsụ Igbo tata. What I'm teaching today is just simple words that we use but in twos. So making simple little sentences, just two little sentences that we use all the time. If you watched the last video that I uploaded, you will see I put a link up here right now. You will see where we did the single ones, so just single words, and now I'm doubling it up and then we can build up from there. Okay, so we're going to go right into it. So the first one that I have for you is come here, bia eba. Come here, bia eba. Come here, bia eba. Bia eba. Come here. Come on its own is bia. Now come here is bia eba. Shut up. Mechono. Mechono. Also like close your mouth. Mechono. Shut up. Mechono. Or close your mouth. Mechono. Please wait. Biko chere. Please wait. Please wait. Biko chere. If you watched my last lesson, you would know that biko is please and wait is chere. So biko and chere is please wait, which is biko chere. Biko chere, please wait. Eat food. Rienri. Rienri. Now, I am from Anambra State and we don't say nri, we say nni. So rienni. If that's more comfortable for you, say that. Rienni, rienri. Anyone that is comfortable for you, nni or nri, is still saying food. Okay? Leave the way, potanuzo. Leave the way, potanuzo. Now, uzo is door or way, like the front of you or the door, the actual door. Now, when I say potanuzo, I'm saying leave the way. Come out of the way. Like I want to pass, come out of the way. Potanuzo. But when I say mepe uzo, I'm asking you to open the door. Remember, mepe ono is open your mouth. Now uzo is door. So mepe uzo is open the door. Mepe is open, uzo is door. Mepe uzo, open the door. Potanuzo, leave the way, come out of my way. Potanuzo, leave the way, come out of my way. Mepe uzo is open the door. Igbo language is very simple, I'm telling you. If you just know how to string it together, you're good to go. Really, you're good to go. Nwani is one female. Nwoke is one male. Women now is now two or more, right? So women is umu nwani. Because it's two or more women. Umu nwani. Umu nwani. Umu nwani is women. Umu nwani. Men, umu nwoke. We're not saying man. Man is nwoke. Now, two or more men, umu nwoke is men. Umu nwoke is men. A female child is nwa nwani. Female child is nwa nwani. Nwa nwani. Now if I want to say my female child, I will say nwam nwani. Female child, not my child. Nwa nwani. Nwam nwani is my female child. The only difference there is I have personalized it with nwam. Nwam nwani. Male child, nwa nwoke. Nwa nwoke is male child. My male child, nwam nwoke. Nwam nwoke. My male child, nwam nwoke. A male child, nwa nwoke. I hope that makes sense. Good woman, ezigbo nwanyị. Nwanyị ọma. Ezigbo nwanyị. Nwanyị ọma. So a good woman is ezigbo nwanyị. And you can also say nwanyị ọma. Good woman, ezigbo nwanyị, nwanyị ọma, good woman. Ezigbo nwanyị, nwanyị ọma. So ezigbo nwanyị is a good woman. Nwanyị ọma is also good woman. Good man, ezigbo nwoke or nwoke ọma. Ezigbo nwoke or nwoke ọma. So you have to tell your dad today, your brothers, your husband, ezigbo nwoke, nwoke ọma, and they will know that you're telling them that they are good men. Ezigbo nwoke, nwoke ọma. Either one of them, or you don't say both together because they are saying the same thing. Well, you can if you want to, but you're just really saying good man, or good woman, if you get what I mean. A good child will be ezigbo nwa, ezigbo nwa, ezigbo nwa. From our parents, when you do something and your mom says, ezigbo nwa, means good child, ezigbo nwa. Good heart, ezigbo obi, ezigbo obi. Ezigbo obi is good heart, ezigbo obi. So you've seen ezigbo, meaning, good, something beautiful, nice, wonderful. So ezigbo obi is a good heart. People, ndị mmadụ. People, ndị mmadụ. One person, otu onye. One person, otu onye, or you can say ofu onye. Ofu onye or otu onye. Now, two or more people, you can say, if it's two people, if you want to say mmadụ abụọ, 3 people, mmadụ atọ, 4 people, mmadụ anọ, if you know your numbers, 5 people, mmadụ ise, and so on. Now, if it's a multitude of people and you haven't gotten the chance to now count everybody, you can just say ndị mmadụ, ndị mmadụ. Or a lot of people say ọtụtụ mmadụ, ọtụtụ mmadụ, meaning so many people, a lot of people. Okay, but if you can count and you know the numbers, if it's like 10 people, 20 people, mmadụ iri. If it's 20 people, mmadụ iri abụọ. If you can count the numbers, fine. But if you can't just say a multitude of people, a lot of people outside, you haven't got the chance to count, you can just say ndị mmadụ or ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ, meaning a lot of people. Okay, so one person, otu onye, 2 people, mmadụ abụọ, and you just continue counting in that sense if you want to count. Wait for me, cherem, cherem. Wait for me, cherem, cherem. Wait for me, cherem. Follow me, sorom. Follow me, sorom. Follow me, sorom. Now, if you want to say, follow me behind, sorom n'azụ. Sorom n'azụ. Follow me is sorom. Follow me behind. Follow behind me, sorom n'azụ. Remember, your back behind is azụ. Sorom n'azụ. Have patience, nwee ndidi. Have patience, nwee ndidi. Have patience, nwee ndidi. I'm sure some of you have heard names of people with names like Ndidi. It's patience, okay? Patience is Ndidi. So have patience in Igbo is nwee ndidi. Nwee ndidi. Ewela iwe, don't be angry. Ewela iwe. I would say ewe na iwe. Ewe na iwe. Ewe na iwe. But Igbo Izugbe says ewela iwe. Ewela iwe. Ewe na iwe is Anambra. Be quiet, be calm. Nọrọ nwayọ. Be calm, be quiet. Nọrọ nwayọ. Nọrọ nwayọ. Nọrọ nwayọ. Be quiet, be calm. Nọrọ nwayọ. Jiri nwayọ. Take it easy. Jiri nwayọ. Take it easy. Jiri nwayọ. Or some people can just say nwayọ nwayọ. Nwayọ nwayọ. Be happy, nwee aṅụrị. Be happy, nwee aṅụrị. Have joy, be happy, don't worry, be happy, nwee aṅụrị. Igbo person, onye Igbo. Igbo kwenu, ya. Igbo kwenu, ya. Igbo kwezeno, iye. Igbo person bụ onye Igbo. Onye Igbo. onye Igbo, one Igbo person. Igbo people, ndị Igbo. Can you count us now? You can't count us. Ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo, Igbo people, ndị Igbo, Igbo person, onye Igbo. Igbo amaka. Hey. In my next life, I want to be Igbo again. Animals, ụmụ anụmanụ. Ụmụ anụmanụ. Animals, ụmụ anụmanụ. Animals, ụmụ anụmanụ. It's good, ọ dị mma. It is good, ọ dị mma. It is good, ọ dị mma. Ọ dị mma. It is bad, ọ dị njọ. It is bad, ọ dị njọ. Ife nke a jọgbu onwe. Ọ dị njọ, it is bad. Ọ dị njọ, it is bad. I will not participate. Ọ dị njọ, it is bad. Foolish person, onye nzuzu. You have to do the face. You have to strong the face. Onye nzuzu. Ne nzuzu yare. Na asok yare. Onye nzuzu is a foolish person. You hear it a lot. If you've ever been to main market on the chat, when people do stuff, they onye nzuzu. Ne nzuzu yare. Onye nzuzu is a foolish person. You're not using your number 6. Onye nzuzu. Our house. Ụlọ anyị. Our house. Ụlọ anyị. Ụlọ anyị. Ụlọ anyị. Ụlọ anyị. Our house. Ụlọ is house. Anyị is ours, like we. So our house is ụlọ anyị. Our church is ụka anyị. Ụka anyị. Ụka anyị. Or ụlọ ụka anyị. Ụlọ is house. Ụka is church. Anyị is like we, ours. So ụlọ ụka anyị or ụka anyị, our church. Time, small time. Obere oge. Obere oge. Ntakịrị oge. Nwamgbe nta. You know, there's a lot of ways to say it. Obere oge. Ntakịrị oge. Nwamgbe nta. There's this song back then that used to say, nwamgbe nta ọ naghị adịgide. Ọkwanụ nwamgbe nta ọ naghị adịgide. Meaning it's just a little time. It doesn't last long. Obere oge. Obere nwa. Little child. Obere nwa. Obere nwa tata. Obere nwa is little child. Unique. Oporiche. Unique. Oporiche. Oporiche. It's like different, unique, special, you know. Oporiche. God's child. Nwa Chineke. Nwa Chineke. Or nwa Chukwu. Nwa Chineke. Nwa Chukwu. Whichever one you want to say, and there's so many more ways to say it. Guys, this is the end of this lesson. Just really short and sweet. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Click the like button to show that you like this video. Please let me know in the comment section what you would like me to do in another video, what you're trying to learn in Igbo. And if you feel like you have some questions, you can put it down there. I always respond to all the comments, and also people people that know Igbo language that that come to the channel and are dedicated to the channel, they also answer questions in the comment section. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends that are trying to learn Igbo language. Kemesia Udo.